For virtually every driving situation, slippery or dry, Quadra-Drive 2 delivers optimum traction. During normal dry pavement use, nearly 50% of engine power is directed to the rear wheels. But here's where Quadra-Drive 2 really sets itself apart. When traction is lost, Quadra-Drive 2 instantly transfers torque to the wheel or wheels with the most traction, progressively and on demand. If needed, all available engine torque can be transferred to a single wheel. This ability to transfer power front to back, as well as side to side, makes Quadra-Drive 2 the ultimate choice. Unlike many four-wheel drive units, this system also features a neutral position, allowing it to be towed behind another vehicle without uncoupling the drive shafts. 4 Low Range locks the front and rear drive shafts to deliver the low-speed power required for tough off-road or towing situations. Engine power is sent through another set of gears, multiplying torque to 2.72 to 1. To engage, slow down to 2 to 3 miles per hour and put the transmission in neutral. While still rolling forward, move the switch to 4 Low. Then return the transmission to the desired gear.